Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to move and rearrange apps on your Roku home screen. So if you have wanted to put a specific app at the top, or you want to move lesser used apps towards the bottom, I'm going to show you how to do that today. So the first thing that we want to do is take our Roku remote and select the app that we want. So let's just choose Hulu, for example, here. And then we're going to press the asterisk or star button on our Roku remote right here. And once we press that, we're going to get an option here that says Move App. Now we don't want to choose Move App to top, we just want to choose Move App. So we'll go ahead and press OK. And now you're going to notice up, down, and left and right arrows popping up on the app that you've chosen. And you can just go ahead and press on the directional pad wherever you would like to move that app. And then once it's where you want it placed, you simply will press OK on your remote. And you will notice it takes there just a second. And then that app has been moved to that specific location. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. If so, let me know in the comments and feel free to throw a like my way. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day.